My friends, welcome back to another video. And this video, first of all, congratulations to all XRP Ripple holders, friends. As you can see here, the only jumps occur in the XRP Ripple coin, friends. The last 1 hour chain is positive, last 1 day chain is positive, last 1 week chain as positive, friends. So that's mean that only jumps occur in the XRP Ripple coin. So friends, it's a celebration time, friends. Kindly click the subscribe button for the celebration of this happiness. Click the subscribe button right now and like this video for my support, friends. Congratulations to all XRP Ripple holders. This good change occur in the XRP Ripple coin, friends. And friends, if we look the price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin at this time, so 1.55 USD dollar is the current price of the XRP Ripple coin, friends. Same like that, if we look the price prediction chart of the XRP Ripple coin of the last 1 day, friends. So oh my god, there's a good news for all of you. As you can see here, only fast occur, but here is a surprise for all of you that now at this time the jumping period of the XRP Ripple coin are again starts now. Once again XRP Ripple coin ready to explode. Once again XRP Ripple coin ready to goes to a moon chart, friends. If you look the price change is positive 0.71%, but soon this change become a high change. Approximately a 10-20% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin and the coming 2 hours, friends. And if we look the highest price, so the highest price is about 1.65 USD dollar and this last 1 day, friends. So what is the next target? The next target is easy in this week, and this week they can easily hit a 2 USD dollar, friends. Remember that they can easily hit a 2 USD dollar and this one, friends. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel and stay connected with us, friends. I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. So that is why I'm telling you that don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay for an awesome.